After the massive success of ChatGPT, Google announced its experimental conversational chat service called Bard. Bard appears to be its first shot on OpenAI's chatbot. Google Bard is a conversational AI chatbot, based on Google's language model LaMDA. It has been released with Google's lightweight model version of LaMDA, which is said to be a smaller model that requires less computing power. It is designed to simulate conversations with a human, and uses a combination of natural language processing and machine learning to provide realistic responses to questions. It aims to augment Google's own search tools as well as provide automated support and human-like interaction for businesses. Google plans to combine external feedback with its internal testing to make sure Bard's responses meet a high bar for quality, safety, and authenticity in real-world information. Bard will have access to huge amounts of data and will be integrated with Google's search engine, providing it an edge over other AI platforms like ChatGPT, in terms of breadth and scope of information it can access. Both Bard and ChatGPT are AI-trained conversational chatbots, using deep learning technology to generate human-like responses to user inputs. Language models used by both chatbots are developed from Transformer, an open-source neural network architecture, created by Google. The main difference between Bard and ChatGPT are the language models on which they are based. ChatGPT is based on GPT 3.5 while Bard uses LaMDA. While Bard AI draws its information from internet in real time to provide responses, ChatGPT is mainly programmed to run on data fed into it. It draws its information from data generated until 2021, as GPT 3.5 stopped being trained after that, so some of its information is outdated. But LaMDA is being constantly trained, so its information is more up to date. This gives Bard a more current knowledge base and an upper hand in terms of huge amounts of data and up-to-date responses. Bard was off a rocky start. The chatbot shared inaccurate information in a promotional video. Google used the example of discoveries made by James Webb Space Telescope in the demo and it got the answer embarrassingly wrong. It claimed JWST had been the first to take a picture of an exoplanet, which it hadn't. This resulted in Google parent company losing over $100 billion in market value. At the Bard announcement, Google emphasized that the technology will be integrated with search. In a blog post, the company said that they are working to bring latest AI advancements into their products, starting with search. But lately, due to the criticism from its employees calling Bard announcement botched and rushed, there has been an attempt by Google to separate AI tool from search. Jack Krawczyk, the product lead for Bard, has said that Bard is not search, but a collaborative AI service. This has led to inconsistency and greater confusion. There is also the issue of bias and misinformation that could become a liability for Google. Search is Google's cash cow, and any serious challenge to its dominance seemed unthinkable, until ChatGPT burst onto the scene. Google was scrambling around for a response and has since been put in the position to play catch-up. However, Google in no way lags behind in technology as it was among the first in conversational AI game. Google is moving more conservatively, as the company has more reputational risk in providing wrong information. The company has only allowed trusted users to test out Bard before its full public release. Besides working on its powerful AI models, Google has invested $300 million in artificial intelligence startup Anthropic, which is considered as OpenAI's rival. The launch of ChatGPT has brought artificial intelligence conversation front and center. Generative AI has extensive capabilities, and is set to change the landscape of many industries. Though the impact of these AI tools on areas like employment, education, and search has stirred many debates, tech giants are in a race to become leaders in artificial intelligence. There is now an AI arms race among tech giants, and for Google this could pose a serious threat to its search business, which relies heavily on ads. Google and its competitors Microsoft, Meta, and others are locked in a fierce battle over dominance in AI, and chatbots are emerging a key area where this rivalry is playing out. Microsoft introduced a new AI-powered Bing in the same week that Google launched Bard. The company has already invested billions in OpenAI. Meta is developing its own language model called LaMDA, while Elon Musk is reportedly working on an alternative to ChatGPT. With the AI battle lines being drawn, this could be a defining moment in big tech world order, and it remains to be seen who comes on the top. Who do you think will win the AI war? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more future videos.